Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean up and repair your registry in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to go. Once everything is running smoothly, you're ready to begin the registry cleanup and repair process. Now, locate your Windows Start menu in your taskbar and click on it. This is typically found at the bottom of your screen and is your gateway to most system functions. Once the Start menu opens, type in regedit into the search bar and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Registry Editor window, which is a powerful tool that lets you view and modify your system's registry settings. Before making any changes to your registry, it's crucial to create a backup first. This ensures you can restore your system if something goes wrong during the cleanup process. In the Registry Editor window, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. From the options that appear, select Export. This action will open a File Explorer window where you need to choose a safe location to save your registry backup file. Pick a directory you'll remember, such as your Documents folder or desktop, and save the file there. This backup is your safety net. Next, open a new browser tab in either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whichever you prefer. Navigate to google.com and click on the search bar. Type in RegSoft's Registry Repair and press Enter. Look through the search results for the first official result that appears, which should be the RegSoft's website, and click on it. This tool is specifically designed to scan your registry for errors, broken entries, and unnecessary clutter that can slow down your system over time. Once you're on the RegSoft's website, locate the download button for the Registry Cleanup and Repair app. Download the application to your computer and wait for the download to complete. After the file has finished downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your system. Once installed, launch the RegSoft's Registry Repair tool and let it scan your registry for issues. The app will identify problems and give you the option to fix them automatically, which helps improve your system's performance and stability. And that's it, you've successfully backed up your registry and installed a tool to clean up and repair any registry issues in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.